So let's talk about this one. The next one, Metamask Wallet. This is the thing people use to do cryptographic transactions like trade Ethereum and Bitcoin and make NFTs and all the stuff people do. So they mostly use this MetaMask extension, which, by the way, is a pretty horrible idea. But anyway, I'm using Chromium, which is a Chrome-compatible browser. So I go here and find MetaMask. MetaMask. That's it with that picture of a fox or whatever that thing is supposed to be. So you can install this thing. Add to Chrome. Add extension.
You're using your M1?
Yes. You can use any platform. So now MetaMask is in here. And I'm going to get started. Okay. I'll just take the default for this nonsense. And I'm going to get set up with a new wallet. So I'm going to make a wallet. I give it a password. Okay. Now I agree to something and create my wallet. Okay, and now it's going to tell me how to secure my wallet. I'm not going to watch their video. I'm just going to, okay, now I can reveal my secret words. So there they are. Those secret words are your private key. Anybody that knows them can get in your wallet and steal your money. So you got to keep a copy of this somewhere and not let people see it like on this video or anything. But of course, I'm not going to put anything valuable in this wallet here. This is just a temporary one for the demonstration. So I'm saving those things. All right, so I've saved my keys, and it's going to make me prove that I know them. So I'm going to have to, because they're not kidding, if you lose that, you're hosed. And this is the proper way to do it. They don't store your key anywhere. You don't have your key, that's it. So you can't go to them and say, I forgot it, send it to me. They don't have it. It's only locally. So it's glare goat, have ordinary, isolate clutch, sound become, slam surprise. There. Okay, now they're happy. I did learn my key. Okay, so now here I am. I have a wallet with 0 Ethereum in it. Now, I would like to pin it to make it stay here. So I'm going to hit that pin, and now MetaMask will stay up there so I can find it. Okay, so now I'd like to get some money. Now, normally Ethereum costs about $1,200 to buy, and I certainly don't want to do that, so I'm going to use test Ethereum. The great thing about it is because there's so much money in Ethereum and so much valuable, this is why it pays for all the cool cryptography, which is why we're learning it, but it have also created a lot of training products and a lot of practice products, and one of them are these test networks. So we're going to move over to the Ropsten test network here. So you go up here, see it says Ethereum mainnet, and you can show hide the test networks. I'm going to show them here. And now I should have other choices. And I do, and so one of them is the Ropsten test network. There are various test networks which have test ether. And so now I've done that. Now I have 0 Ropsten ether. I still don't have any, but now I'm using test ether that's free. Now I can get some from faucets. And these faucets might not be working, we're going to see. This one here, so get Ropsten test ether, click here. All right, sign in with some kind of Gmail. Let's try this. All right. Couldn't sign me in. Maybe it's CNET.141 Sam. I can't remember. Must be. All right. This might be a problem. Good Lord. TELESTIND. All right. Let me try another one. I might get hosed here. What is this garbage? Okay. I probably hosed it. All right. I'm going to have to do this another way. This might happen to you too. I'm not even sure if those faucets are still working. You might have to get some test Ethereum from me. That's why I have another wallet where I accumulated a bunch of this a while ago. So here, I've got a wallet. And in here, I've collected 100 Ropsten ether. So I've got enough to give people so you can do projects. And so you might have to just send me your number so I can send it to you. So there's this one. I want to get my account number, which is right there. I copy it. Your account number is just a long value in actually base 58. It looks like base 64, but it's actually base 58. So I'm going to send to that address. There it is. That's the address. And I'm going to send it 1 Ropsten Ether. There we go. And send. Next. Sending Ropsten Ether. Okay. Now, it's going to take time. The Ethereum network only mines 1 block every 15 seconds. So if it gets mined right away, it'll take up to 15 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait a few blocks. Sometimes you have to wait a lot longer. The Ethereum network has a capacity problem. And when things get busy, it can actually fail completely to take your transactions.
Is Ropsten ETH the testing Ethereum?
Yeah, it's a test version of Ethereum. And so you see right here, by the way, I had to pay a gas fee of 0.00224. You always have to pay a fee, everything you do. So likely in less than 30 seconds, it says. So it should happen pretty fast, and let's see how long it takes. And we can
refresh. Just update your.
It automatically refreshes, yeah, when things change. So it's running, everything's running in JavaScript. Anyway, good. Something appeared here. Maybe it moved. I don't think it moved yet. Anyway, while it's not moving, let me just talk about what happens next. So once you've got some Ether, then you just have to send me some Ether and you'll find a flag showing the activity of that. And then you can go to the Block Explorer. Everything you do is on the public Block Explorer called Etherscan. So when this moves, if it moves, we'll see the transaction on Etherscan. Everything you do is public. And by the way, if you remember your password, you can get your seed phrase back. I put this here. That's one common problem people have. Now, it looks like the Ropsten network is not moving very fast, so there may be a problem here. We're going to see. Now, the way I've written these projects, the next project requires you to have some of this Ropsten Ether, but if I continue to have trouble with it, I might rewrite it so you don't need the Ropsten Ether. But anyway, this is the start. After this, we're going to do smart contracts, but that's all I wanted to show you tonight. And the fact that this is not moving worries me, and it may well be that the Ropsten testnet is not in fact functional right now because of the upgrade. So if that's true, I'll have to change some projects, and I'll get that organized by next week. Anyway, let me stop this recording, and I'm available to answer